Hello. Sister, why are you calling my phone? No, tell me, why are you calling my phone now? Why are you calling me? I told you it's over between us now. Is that too hard for you to understand? It's over. I don't want to do it again. Go and meet the guy that is spending on you. Yes. Stop calling my phone. The next time you call this phone, in fact, I'm blocking you right now. Don't get me angry, oh. In fact, get off my phone.
Hey! No problem.
Not by force.
This man!
Fido,
Obotu,
what's in the sub now?
so you come out this hot afternoon.
I don't dey house. They do nothing. I just say my story reach your side.
What's happen now?
How far now?
Obotu,
I ain't dey be now. Now let they chop this one.
come at the right time now.
One join you now, 2 Gary there and Mama collect 1.
Collect now, collect.
No wala na you my guy.
You dey see?
Hey, come on, I don't dare say do nothing. I say my boy I come join you. Okay. I'm gonna say I come.
Just dey play.
With the face we know say it's sharp.
I want problems always!
But it's so sweet though. Who cook this soup? You can't not say you know sabi cook.
I dey cook food before. I done my ex but she don't beg me tire. Say mo come back. I don't get option now. I can't say my pity her. She can't dey. She even sleep over herself. And this morning she thought say I give her money, make she take cook soup where you dey eat now.
Hey! Wait. I don't understand what you talk. You say cook this soup.
I'm an ex-cooker now.
Don't want peace.
Okay, then your girl where you been break up with.
Uh-huh.
How?